Imagine yourself running a meeting, presenting your big idea, or sharing your story. Greetings and welcome to the Confident Communicators workshops. My name is Ana Robledo. I am a bilingual teacher, a coach, and I have been in the public speaking business for over 6 years. I invite you to work on your comfort zone and also in your not so comfortable zones. And I invite you to practice skills proven to improve your speaking abilities and your confidence. We will work on your voice, your fluency, your pace, your body language, and more. But most of all, we will work on you being you on the stage. The workshops are 12 sessions long. Each session is 1.5 hours. So you will need to make a commitment with yourself for a couple of months. By the way, the first session is free. Check above or below for more information or to register. You may also contact me at anayourcoach@gmail.com. So let's speak with intention and confidence. See you in the next workshop.